Two big cashback contenders. One burning question: which card actually puts more money back in your pocket? On the left, the Blue Cash Preferred from Amex, premium rewards for everyday families and commuting. And on the right, Discover It Cashback, flexible rotating categories, plus that famous cashback match. Let's skip past the marketing and see how these cards really perform with real numbers. Each round scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which card is the winner for 2025. And trust me, the final result may surprise you.
Quick pit stop before we get dramatic. Here's our mind map of categories for today's showdown. We're looking at cashback structure, first-year bonus, redemption options, fees and APR, extra benefits and perks, and protection and security. Seriously, we're leaving no stone unturned. Starting things off with cashback structure. This is where the details get spicy. So with Amex Blue Cash Preferred, they're giving you 6% at US supermarkets, up to $6,000 a year. Then it drops back to 1%. Plus, there's 6% on streaming services and 3% at gas stations and transit. Other stuff? 1%. Nothing wild. Sounds pretty lush, right? But hold up, there's a $95 annual fee. Also, sorry warehouse shoppers, their supermarket bonus doesn't play nice with Walmart or Target. Now, Discover It Cashback goes a different route. They offer 5% on rotating categories with a $1,500 per quarter cap, and then 1% on everything else. No annual fee here, but you do gotta activate those categories, and sometimes the caps feel a bit tight. Honestly, if you spend big at the grocery store or binge Netflix, Amex is king for pure cashback volume, even with the fee. Winner for this round? A sneaky nod to the Amex Blue Cash Preferred. Next up, first-year bonus. Amex gives the standard welcome, $250 when you spend $3,000 in the first few months. Cool, but not like jaw-dropping, right? Discover swings harder. Instead of a one-off bonus, every dollar of cashback you earn in year one gets doubled automatically. Cashback match. So if you earn $300 cash back, Discover hands you another $300. No hoops, just double. That's wild, especially if you're stacking up cash back in those 5% categories. So for first-year bonuses, yeah, Discover's got this one in the bag. Redemption options. Amex's Blue Cash Preferred keeps it simple. Take your cash as a statement credit. You reduce your card balance, done. There's zero drama, or honestly, zero flexibility. You can't cash out to a bank, redeem for gift cards, or pay Amazon. Now, Discover comes in clutch here. Not just statement credits, but also direct deposit, Amazon payments, gift cards, even donate to charity. Real options, you know? So if versatility matters, Discover kind of runs circles here. Oh, and here's something cool. Discover will actually double all your first-year cash back, which is nuts. But Amex Blue Cash Preferred, if you max out that supermarket category at $6,000, you could earn well over $350 just at the grocery store. Kind of wild when you crunch the numbers. Let's talk fees and APRs, because who likes paying extra, right? Blue Cash Preferred has a straight-up $95 annual fee. Ouch. But you do get a 0% intro APR for a year on purchases, which is nice if you need some breathing room. But there's also a pretty harsh penalty APR if you slip up with payments. Meanwhile, Discover's got 0 annual fee, no penalty APRs, no foreign transaction fees, and wait, 15 months of 0% intro APR on purchases. That's longer than Amex's intro period. So, yeah, if you hate fees or travel overseas, Discover's way less stressful. Moving over to perks and cool extras, Amex throws in an $84 Disney bundle credit, access to their Amex offers, bonus deals on stuff, and they let you spread out payments with their Plan It feature. The catch? Most of it's in the Amex ecosystem, so you gotta be into their scene. Discover's perks feel a bit different. Free social security number alerts, lots of card designs to flex, plus no foreign transaction fees. It's good, don't get me wrong, but most perks don't scream travel or stacking up rewards. If you vibe with Amex's extras, like all those events, Blue Cash Preferred is probably more fun here. Final stop. Security and protection. Both cards are pretty tough on fraud. Amex is famous for customer support, and their protections are strong.
But hey, outside the US, Amex can get a little sassy with acceptance. Discover gives you identity alerts and is honestly more widely accepted in the States, slowly getting better abroad. Neither does anything super wild like airport lounge access. But for everyday users, pretty even. So yeah, it's a tie on security. Let's pause to visualize how the cards stack up. If you plotted these on a radar chart, you'd see Amex spiking for supermarket and streaming rewards, while Discover stretches way wider on bonuses and flexibility. The differences really pop.
Time for the real talk. If you've got a big family and spend lots at supermarkets, commute daily, or binge streaming, Blue Cash Preferred makes that $95 fee feel almost irrelevant. You'll clean up in those categories. But for everyone else, especially if you love rotating bonuses and hate fees, Discover It Cashback is the move. That first-year match is honestly bonkers, and you don't need to commit to any spending style. Winner? There are legit reasons to pick both, but Discover's combo of flexibility and epic first-year rewards wins for most people.
Super useful breakdown, right? If you liked weighing out these cashback cards, go check your eligibility and apply through the official sites. Don't just wait for mail offers. Catch you in the next